2020 okutachali 2020 iMac iQuad processor game changer Rupee king of analysis okuba ku kiwese Star TV kugata ne wali naku lwa Sunday mbawo ku Metro FM na kubale nyimbe sinzo okuba ezakabi ne otherwise ne channel yafe ya enkola ya video tubawo mpula nga streaming live nga tulete ebintu byakabi ebipya ebi training mu week so nakulwaye msimanyi wakitandike ntya mbere asasage mbere abunkenke Kampala mumbera nadala ebife banamawulire nadala ne abantu abali mu entertainment business at large banji bintu batusubiramu nona kulwala omunyanyiriza negatako okwaniriza omukyala mu business eno yagiri mwayizo ko yagivamu nenga atakyali stakeholder kyaginamu omukono Robin nsaba obuze kubaliko nabaje kumireko
bana ni mwe mutyeyo amanya gange nze Robin Kisti sanyiso kubalaba mwenna muli bakabi conspiracy no covid baisa nchimanyi tebayisa bulungi naye tugenda basabira fena twesabire amasoro fisa musera kizibu.
Who is Robin Kisti?
Robin Kisti, first of all, my names are Robin and Namboze, actually, my real names. So Robin Kisti is just a stage name that I came up with when I started doing TV here in Uganda.
Okay.
You know, so I was born here, but I did grow up in the UK. At 13, I moved to the UK.
Okay.
Then from the UK, I moved back here to Uganda. I was here for about 8 months, and I actually started doing MCing with Cats back in the days. Then I moved to America to continue my higher education.
Okay.
So that's where I did, you know, I did my BFA in acting. So that's why I actually into the whole entertainment business because I went to school for it. So okay. I did an associate's degree and I also did a BFA in fine arts, performing arts at Northern Illinois University, which is in Chicago.
Okay.
Yeah, so then I got tired of America and I was like, wow, let me go back to Uganda and see maybe I could pursue a career in acting. But by the time I came here, acting was not so much of a big deal. Nga said muri munyinji nyo. Ngabo manyi.
Tujja kutukawo.
Ngabo manyi kantaketinge
a different platform.
Yeah, like a TV platform because we're not chechimo. Also me acting it was all kola ku TV, also kola ku radio. Kugamba debe wali tubanyi to so bikola. Bobo koze you know go bisomye ko. Also kola all the different skills. You know so kati but not the Uganda, of course they can call it in TV.
How do you get connected to NTV?
How do I get connected? The confidence in mind. So when I arrange money qualifications and get it as a
so you are overconfident or overqualified?
Pretty much on the Ugandan scale, I might be overqualified. However, Sizalao, just mama wange, muchala mkozi.
Set a good foundation.
Yes, very good foundation. You know, tambu the international tambu the kuri the continents statue, kuri the Africa, nemuda mu Europe, nezumira ne mu America. So kati your experience then you are overconfident. Just that's who I am.
Okay.
The international. So they kati NTV nagere bugenzi ngabo mayingo mamancho yagala o mancholi nengenda nekola chine sabo mulimu ku NTV mchala yaliyo mchala na Kenya bisere NTV under Kenyan management.
Okay.
Ndibampo mulimu munange kwanga nagenda bugenzi by kale of course ngabo mayi ofuna run around ndi bagama koma okuno nako koma okuno nako ne wabuma miyanyamba na ngabo mayi ngenda kutukulingiza mu office yenyine tufupa era bamasolo kweyogerera. So nengere wa mukase mwanje bisere ebyo ne munyonyura ne muwilya resume yange bichibi enkoze bichibi ensomye nagamba oh no bali banonya wa hot steps those days.
Which season is that? Because we had seasons.
I think it was season 4.
Okay.
Yeah, it was season 4 that I was the host of, and you know, it was a great experience when I got the job. One was screen tests. I was one of the 10. You know, so nekola hot steps. Awo natandikira okuvira yo nekola muntu bwachakaliwa Airtel ne Brian Murudu. Abantu batandika okumanya ku bintu bingi bwe bitu bwenafuka.
Then let's take a look at that show yakuba akajina abantu bategera kutegera nyo was it login?
Yes, login yasoka nabira ko nava bwe nakola ku NTV ngakola hot steps nabanga yaliko. Kati smile byabawo nzingiro kula abantu ka login. Login na likonga just ngeze nakola interview mu field. Neba gino okuza ebintu bi ngamba nomwana nga wakabi. From now Robin, gendo kolechi Time okola login ne links ningamba oh that's making it easy for my employee which take the so I'm sasula hand.
So Muhumbi, if I say you are flexible, I'm right?
Very flexible employee, and even my bosses can attest to that. You know, Agi Konde, I went through many of them. Agi Konde is in a Bantaris that was a executive, producer, not executive producer, but yeah, she's one of the producers basically. And they all knew that I was easy to work with, and also me, I was comfortable because nani sukola shame yuka. Na hizo bela kulogin
you are multitasking.
Ngani nayo ne bu promo wa Airtel wenkola ku on a daily ngani kata kuna koka sente kalala ugenze ochitegera nzalinga mu company ndifuna munyo kubanga talent yange ngawe kugamira yogera ali muntu ali mu meeting obo producer ye jana gamba nge wachi Robin Kisti ye ka yakola omuntu wa Airtel obonna tutinayo ba presenters balala Karakuja Kathe Mwanji ye mukazi mugeza atafa ku business. Nga umanyi company
business oriented.
A company owned by Aga Khan bayingi bali bafa ku sente yabwe. Ochitegera. So now I'm right if spending a sente okutraining omuntu omupya. Nga Robin Kisti byo nasobola bikola. Tetwina we tuluzi nga tumongera mbongezi ka sente nakola kino ochitegera. So Shigenda okulaga nti oyina okuyiga kati oyinza okuyiga editing noyiga producing ne babeera nga bakwongera mu money as a presenting because atisikola ki tezimaneze ali presenting a shows nyingi de promos MCing bwebandanga kwe TV nga bamta MC nga muyinza okukola nga MC zinga bbiri kagige wakakuwadda satu kwegamba nani nkola sente olwa TV.
Okay, let's take a look at your journey Gwen TV. While you had a lot of tasks. How was the payment? No,
like I said, by then, especially me personally, and the reason why I even made the post that I made is because I was being paid good. I wasn't complaining at all because if you think about it, my education level and the qualification that I have and how much my mother spent on me to go and do, study in the US and the UK, was comparing up with Uganda. Tezimara. Niumani sola complaining kubanga ku Ugandan standard nalikuwa nguvu.
Okay.
Na nilifuna sente zimara wa qualification.
Tutunulire bizibu ki byofuna Gwen TV gwe ng'omuntu.
Kwegamba sinza gaba tula buli nguli perfect.
Okay.
Ebizibu nasinga okufuna yo byali byabantu okutwanga konnemesa. Bwoba oli wakabinga oli mu kifo top, let me tell you, ojja kulemesebwa. Bajja tulango kulemesa, bajja kwogera kama mafuukule. They will say whatever to try and get you fired oba okume
otegera.
Nadirango bwekasera gwe banonda gwakola kino session ekututenga, neza I'm a very humble girl. Abamanyi bamanyi. Sepanga nakugulidde maka gali comfortable, tetuli bagaga ne tuli comfortable.
No muli bagaga omuntu wasomere UK US nemba mulina.
Tuba tulina wa guess. Then one year mchala kubwache yakubeche myaka.
Kubwache you understand.
Kubwache nange kubwache yo.
By then, before you left NTV, allegations zijja Robin Kisti bamukutene bilagalaga next time biba wedio.
Weedi anti buli mayogera ku weedi nafoka weedi. Bana. Chenjagala babulira anti. Apart from the fact that I was accused or whether I do it or not, marijuana is illegal if you have it in big amounts or whatever, but guess what? Something that people don't know. Here in Uganda has endorsed Canada, they have endorsed Israel, they've endorsed Germany to grow marijuana in Uganda and export it. And you know how expensive marijuana is out there? I know about marijuana, I'm not going to lie, but I'm just telling you that the fact is, as Ugandans will always be like, oh, mwana pose seja, oh, mwana chinele kankubuli ntunulia.
You're looking good, you're looking fine.
So kati mbuli da, ebe bibogera bivawa. Nze ngabili abana wange n'abana abo, babili, nze abalabirira.
You a single mom?
Siri single mom. Sina tata abana bange ne single mom. So kazo bulungi namuzoro ya single. Inbox single mother. Asikaweta naye nakukajja kujja naye right now ndi happy mu relationship. So single mother kubanga tata abana jali ate ne boyfriend jali so abana bali happy. Ali katuna kosane Uganda.
So jeka tutulire Robin Kisti katuna kuba kuingia session ya fedako. Change kuja kwa NTV basically ogende offline odde mu byo.
Kati no wengu kama mama wange yali andegalizo mu international. Kubanga naye mwennyini yakulira naye kenyini abadde yamali ya London